In today's video, I will walk you through how to mark an invoice as paid in Square. First, log into your account by entering www.squareup.com on your browser. Once you are inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side menu. From there, select Orders and Payments. After that, click on Invoices, and then select Invoices again from the menu. Once the Invoices page opens, you will see your list of invoices. From here, find the invoice that you want to mark as paid. If you only need to mark one invoice as paid, simply locate that invoice in the list. If you want to mark multiple invoices as paid at the same time, you can use the toggle or checkbox next to each invoice and select all the ones you want to update. After selecting the invoice or invoices, look for the Bulk Actions option. Click on Bulk Actions to open the available actions for the selected invoices. At the top of the list, you will see the option called Mark as Paid. Click on Mark as Paid, and Square will update the selected invoice or invoices and mark them as paid. That is all you need to do to mark an invoice as paid in Square. Hope this helps, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.